Hello guys and welcome back to CryptoCarlosads channel. In today's video I found for you very cool project. If you want to support my channel, please like and comment my video. Defiai AI is a high quality platform deeply engaged in decentralized finance DeFi industry. After years of machine learning algorithms, quantified AI robots are now highly competitive in the industry and can capture high yield mining pools from time to time, automatically compound interest and generate ultra high returns. Defiai AI is built as a decentralized financial agreement. In the future, a completely decentralized platform will be put forward to build a mine pool of its own. Meanwhile, the Defiai AI team will launch a series of credit certificate services. Moreover, these products are based on the support of their underlying blockchain partners. The Defiai AI community will use this credit data to design new DeFi products on the basis of the derivatives and their derivatives. Defiai AI platforms use the intelligent system selects safe and stable DeFi pools audited by security audit institutions. Why choose Defiai AI? Defiai AI is a protocol of DeFi 2.0. It changes DeFi through Compound Interest Strategy Protocol (CSP). Provides the industry's most non-destructive and stable income model, ultra-fast investment strategy, and automatically completes a series of DeFi operations. The best strategy plus DeFi 2.0 protocol through the following mechanisms: ultra-fast high-frequency strategy, automatic group LP, automatic high-speed switching pool, ultra-fast automatic delegation to avoid losses caused by sharp fluctuations in currency prices, comprehensive transaction free of charge, aiming for high-yield mining, auto-payer lever, compounding leverage supports high returns. This agreement will use the Defiai 2.0 compound strategy agreement to avoid losses caused by the rise and fall of tokens by using the ultra-fast strategy agreement, and at the same time increase compound interest and position leverage to obtain ultra-high returns. What is Defiai AI? Defiai AI is the world's first intelligent one-stop service platform that perfectly combines AI and DeFi technology. It uses data engines, AI and other technical means to generate a decentralized multi-strategy high-yield aggregator, which can not only help users intelligently complete a series of DeFi behaviors such as deposit, lending, leveraged mining, and cross-chain mining. It can even help users grab the latest head mine from time to time, automatically complete compound interest, and generate super high returns. The operation in Defiai AI is very simple. Users only need one key deposit and it can intelligently match strategies in the stable strategy pool and compound strategy pool according to funds, and then allocate funds to maximize returns throughout the process. Real-time monitoring of rates, optimizing allocations, generating reports, and tracking revenues will be performed. The user deposit is mining and provides the liquidity to DeFi and get the matching digital currency. Reward is a method of holding more digital currency through the digital currency pool. It uses smart contract computer program to get stable and high reward without any doubt. The Defiai AI platform intelligently screens all DeFi projects. They must meet the requirements of open source code, full contract verification, well-known instruction audit, and depth of capital pools to ensure the safety of users' investment. The Defiai AI compound strategy pool will use AI to obtain the latest online headline, stake lending, stake mining, leveraged mining, and other ultra-high yield pools in real time through AI. The income earned from the stable strategy pool will be put into ultra-high yield pool and automatically compound interest in various income pools. The important thing is that Defiai AI runs automatically on the public chain, is decentralized, is open and transparent, cannot be tampered, subject to human control, and is not subject to policy supervision, and settlement does not require any manual review. Therefore, Defiai AI not only has the characteristics of decentralization, intelligence, safety, and efficiency, it also has many advantages such as automatic and continuous reinvestment, low gas, fast switching strategies, and always targeting high-yield headline, which means that investment will change to be more professional, efficient, simple, and intelligent. You can enjoy the perfect experience of appreciation after deposit just through Defiai AI. Defiai AI, the new era of DeFi. On the site itself, we see the possibility of USD staking. We have different staking options available to us, from 20% per day to 45% per month. If we make a deposit for several days, for example, with a deposit for 60 days, we can get as much as 45% profit per month. And this is good news, because the market is in chaos right now and it has become more difficult than ever to extract profit from the cryptocurrency market. But thanks to the Defiai AI pool, this is real again, and now you can stack cryptocurrencies at huge interest rates and receive daily passive profit from this work. We can also drain Ether, TRX and Bitcoin, but I will stop my look at the staking of USDT. After all, USD is a stable coin and it is not defeated by the course and is always stable. I press the stake USDT. I will invest my money with the possibility of withdrawal in a day. In this case, my monthly profit will be 20%, but I can withdraw my money almost at any time. I think this will be an excellent solution for the test. So I made an investment. Now let's look at the cool function of the referral system. You can bring a friend to the platform and get an incredible bonus. Well, friends, my investment was successful and I withdraw the money to my Trust Wallet account. This is a great tool that I can recommend to you. If you have any questions, you can use customer services in Telegram. All link will be in the description. Okay, it's all for now, guys. I hope this video be helpful for you and you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.